Hello everybody, my name is Neha. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to review another skincare, and this is the niacinamide 10% plus zinc serum from the Minimalist brand. So it's a new brand, recently launched. I think it's late 2020 launch, but it does have lots of controversies, to be honest, but I'm not gonna go there. That's not my cup of tea. So I am going to review this serum, the niacinamide serum, the 10% serum. It does also have one 5%, so I bought this. So I actually read a few reviews, few Instagram reviews, then I thought that I'm gonna try it. So it's come in a black cardboard packaging with a extra cover, and the bottle itself is glass, frosted glass. I think I feel they have a thing, like they often change their packaging. I think that's the reason, that's the controversy, but anyway, this is the frosted glass packaging. So I have used quite a lot. I don't know if you can see, this much is remaining, so not a lot, to be honest, but I really like this serum. It's an amazing serum. If you have like oily, मतलब आपका अगर excess sebum का issue है, so it's a really good serum to control it. It does control my excess sebum production. So I am oily to combination skin. I do have hormonal acne as well, and thus I have lots of acne scars, as you can see here. So this it does mention in the packaging that it is it also reduces the acne scars, but see, this type of product, if you are using this serum, you can't tell it like within like usage of 2 to 3 months. You can't tell it, okay, अगर आपका skin जल्दी heal करता है, lucky you have good genes, but like आपको अगर स्किन बहुत जल्दी हील करता है, then it will just catalyze it, and of course it will literally help you in reducing the lightening the acne scars, that I can say. But for me, my skin was literally damaged because I have some internal issues, as well as I was not taking care at that time a lot. But recently I have started, I can't be proud of that, but still I wanted to say that for last 1.5 years I have started taking good care of my skin and hair. So that's why I do have acne. I do have literally bad not cystical, but they are painful under the skin acne, but still I feel that my skin texture has improved quite a lot. So let's talk about the ingredients about this serum. So the ingredients, they have mentioned the whole ingredient list in the black outer covering packaging, as well as in the glass bottle. So it does mention the first ingredient is aloe vera juice. So I feel aloe vera juice is actually a good hydrating agent, and if you are not allergic to aloe vera juice, then you can totally give it a try, because it's really hydrating. And the second ingredient is niacinamide, which is ethically sourced, I guess. Yeah, it's sourced from Switzerland, and the pH balance, I don't know, स्विट्ज़रलैंड से हुआ तो एथिकली होता है कि नहीं, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट. मैंने जस्ट वर्ड यूज़ कर दिया. ओके, आई एम सो सॉरी. सो नाइसिनामाइड USP Lonza, I'm so sorry if I'm butchering the pronunciation. Obviously I'm doing that. Lonza, Switzerland. Also mention कि कभी कभी प्रिंटिंग के टाइम may vary, information may get vary. Check the website. Wow, so honest. The pH balance is 5.5 to 6.5. क्यों बाबा इतना बड़ा गैप क्यों? 5.5 6.5. Okay, let's just don't go there. So apart from that is also 6 clean beauty. It does promise 6 clean beauty, like no fragrance, no silicones, no parabens, no essential oils, no dyes or no sulfates. And so the ingredient wise, I see that the niacinamide is in the second list. There is dimethyl isosorbide, which I have no idea. Zinc इसके है 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 में zinc है. Zinc PCA. हाइड्रो, मेरे को प्रोनाउंस नहीं करना, केमिस्ट्री नहीं पढ़ानी मेरे को. सो वट एवर इट इज़, इट डज़ हैव गुड इंग्रेडिएंट्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ द प्लेसमेंट. नाइसिनामाइड सेकेंड पोजीशन पे है. मतलब आई थिंक द मेन डिफरेंस फ्रॉम द ऑर्डिनरी एंड दिस वन कि उनका फर्स्ट इंग्रेडिएंट एक्वा है आई गेस, एंड इनका एलोवेरा जूस है. सो फॉर दैट रीज़न, फॉर दैट एलोवेरा जूस आई थिंक इट डज़ हाइड्रेट माई स्किन एज वेल. बट it mentioned in the description like the direction how to use it. So it has mentioned that you can use it in AM and PM routine, but you have to use you can use it after after using any hyaluronic serum if you have any. So I do use a hyaluronic acid serum before this. So apart from that, I have just recently started that using. Before that I was using Cosrx snail mucin essence, and with that it worked really good. Like I literally felt my skin is like getting so plumped and hydrated and so toned out. मतलब no sebum at all. I was not at all, means my pores have shrinked. I can't even tell you how it happened, but literally my pores have shrinked, and I really like this product. I will definitely buy it till I die. Wow. So I will literally give it a like 1000 stars because I really think that it does change my skin. And इनका प्राइस है 599. So it manufactured in February 2021 and it will like इसका जो एक्सपायरी है ये सर जुलाई 2022. Apart from that it's a 30 ml of product. मैंने प्राइस तो आपको बता दिया. कहाँ बनाया गया है, no idea where it is made. I think Switzerland or made in India. Are you made in India? Yeah, it's made in India. It's just mentioned here manufactured and marketed by जयपुर में बनाया गया है इसको. So yeah, that's you can see. So it does mention all other like इनका जो वेबसाइट है वो सब भी मेंशन है इसके पैकेजिंग में, इनका ये वाला पैकेजिंग में भी. तो इफ़ यू आर स्टार्टिंग लाइक आप नाइसिनामाइड इनकॉर्पोरेट कर रहे हो अगर स्किन में, तो आप 5% से स्टार्ट करो. And obviously patch test is very important, but I literally love this and I will definitely buy it again after finishing this bottle. I will again buy it because it does help my skin texture. It controls the excess sebum, and also about reducing acne scars. As I told you, you have to use for a prolonged period. I definitely will use it for more, obviously, so then I can tell that I will update in the description box here if it does that or not. But to be honest, I really felt great about this serum and I really love this. Yeah. By the way, इसका texture जो है वो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ. इसका texture is kind of like watery, very watery. So it does get absorbed into the skin. It does, I don't feel any stickiness to be honest. It's really good. It does not have a smell as you mentioned, and it is absorbed into the skin like so. I don't want to waste it. So इनिशियल फीलिंग जब आप उसको यूज़ करोगे तो आपको लगेगा कि हाँ इट्स बिट स्टिकी, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक चिपचिपा वाला स्टिकी. इट विल जस्ट गेट अब्सॉर्ब इन टू योर स्किन. देन यू कैन यूज़ अ मॉइस्चराइजर and sunscreen after this. If you're using it in AM routine, then you can in PM routine as well you can use a night moisturizer, whatever you can see. So I really love this serum and I will definitely tell you to get this. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for having me and thank you for watching this video. Hope it helps. Bye bye.